Hey, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the Exodus mobile wallet on an Android device. I'm also going to give a quick overview of all the features, so let's take a look. So the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to open up our Google Play Store, and up at the top in the search field, we're going to click on search and then type in Exodus and then click on Exodus Wallet. And here we go at the installation screen. We can just tap on install and it's going to install the application. Once it's complete, you can tap on open. So once it loads up, you have the option to create a new wallet or have an existing one. I'm going to go ahead and start as if I've never had a wallet before, and I'll click on get started. And it's just going to give you a little bit of an introduction on how to receive, how to send, and how to exchange. And if you want to stake your coins, you have the option to do that as well. And you can click on get started. And right here at the main screen, you have a portfolio of the most commonly used coins. So the first thing you want to do with your wallet is you want to create a security phrase. So only you have access to it and it's protected. So by clicking on this profile button over here, then tapping on security, you have the option to back it up. And you want to create one right now by clicking on the backup option here. Are you being watched? So if you're being watched, you don't want anyone to see this. I'm just going to tap on here. It'll reveal a code. So it's going to reveal a code, but my recording software is not allowing me to show it. What you want to do is write this passphrase down and keep it in a secure place. And then the next thing that you can do is secure it with the passcode, and then you can just punch in a number. So for example, I'm just going to put one in right now. There you go, it's been created. And then we can close it. And then I have biometric scanner on my phone, so I can just enable the feature to secure it with my fingerprint, and then I can just unlock and lock it using my fingerprint rather than typing in the passcode every single time. So that is the security part. Under settings, just the basic settings are in here. You have the ability to turn on and off notifications, the sound. Currency by default is US dollar, but you can customize this to whatever currency that you want. Pretty much every major currency is listed in here. Click on the back button there. And then inside portfolios, you have the option to manage a portfolio and see your current balances. So that's what that is for. Now, if you have a desktop and you have Exodus installed in your desktop, you can sync your devices so they both are showing the current amounts. And what you do is you just tap on here, and then you can let it know if you're using a computer or a mobile tablet. If you're using a computer, you can just click on this and then it'll open up the QR scanner. So then you can scan the QR code of the PC. Do the same thing with a mobile tablet. You're just scanning the QR code for that device as well. Now you can also restore a wallet. So if you have a passphrase for another wallet, it'll look on the blockchain and restore all the values that you have. At the end of it, if you do not want to use this wallet and you want to get rid of everything, you can just click on delete wallet, and then you have the option to delete your wallet. We'll head back to the main screen here and look at the default coins that we have listed. Now, if you want to add a coin that's not already here, click on add more. And say I want to add Dogecoin to it. I'm just going to go down a little bit here, and then I have the option to search for assets. Now they have over 100 different coins that you can add into the wallet. You can see right here at the time of recording, they have 143 listed. So many available. So all you have to do is just type in the coin you want. Like I said, they're going to be doing Dogecoin. So obviously you're searching for Doge, and then you just toggle it on. And then when you hit back to the main window, Dogecoin will be added in here. So let me just refresh this. There we go. Okay, so Dogecoin is now added to the wallet. So now if you want to send or receive the coin that you want, in this example, we're going to use Bitcoin. So I'll just click that because it's the first one on the list. Now, if you want to send Bitcoin, basically you just click on the up button here. Then you can enter in the amount. So that's how much you want to send. You click on enter, and then you paste the address. So the person will give you the address, and then you have the option to scan. If we click on the barcode over here, then click on allow, and then you can scan the QR code of someone's wallet and it'll automatically enter in the address information. Assuming I had it, you can just click on send and then you can send it, but I have nothing. So there's no Bitcoins in my wallet, so I'm not able to send. But yeah, you'd scan the address, or you can enter it in manually or paste it, and then you can tap on send, and then you'd be able to send it. So that's how you send it. Now, if you want to receive any type of Bitcoin, you click on the down option over here on the right hand side, which is to receive, and then you're presented with a QR code. Now someone can scan it the way I just scanned the address, but you also have the option to tap on this at the bottom, and then you can copy your Bitcoin address and you can paste it in Messenger or wherever you want to paste it. You also have the option to share it, and then it'll give you the commonly used options here to share your address. You could share it by email, text message, WhatsApp, whatever you want. So now we click on back, and we'll go back to the main screen. In the middle over here, we have the exchange option. If you want to exchange one coin for another, you can just simply select the coin that you want. Say I want to select Ethereum and I want to change it to USDT. You can do that, and then you can enter in the amount that you want to swap. You can go minimum, half, max. You can go all the way through with that. So you can exchange from one coin to another coin simply by just entering in the amount and then clicking on the exchange option. An excellent option for this wallet is to stake a coin directly from here. Now, staking allows you to earn interest over a period of time based on the interest rate that's provided and assuming that the coin allows it. So right off the bat, we don't have any available ones right now, but I'll be adding one in. So I know Cardano can be staked, so I'm just going to quickly add it to the wallet. Select that, turn it on. And then I'm going to go to Cardano. Right now, the interest rate that you'll get on Cardano is 4.21%. So we're going to select it. And then what you do is you have the little reward icon in the top right hand corner. You can select the reward icon here, and then you can enter in the staking amount. So if you want to stake something and earn interest over a period of time, you can just enter in the amount that you want to stake by clicking on the stake option, and then you'll be able to stake it over a period of time. Now, while the coins are staked, you do not have access to it for that period of time, and there is a little bit of waiting time when you transition in and out of a staked coin, usually a couple of days. So it's a great feature to have if you are buying a cryptocurrency that has this option available and you're not planning on touching it for a while. It earns interest over time, so it's just growing your portfolio larger, and it's just a nice feature to have. So that's an overview of the Exodus mobile wallet on an Android device. Hope you found this tutorial and overview useful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and put them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.